Hi, everyone. Welcome to this session on how to find and use your online library account. First, make sure you're logged into your library account. If you aren't sure how to log in, check our tutorials for instructions on using your University of Akron credentials to log into your account. When you have logged into your library account, your name will show up at the top right of the screen. Selecting the drop-down will open up the navigation to your library account. Here is where you will want to select Library Card. There are 6 sections to your library card. The first section is the overview. Here you can see all the items you have checked out and their due dates. You can see any requested local, OhioLink, or interlibrary loan materials and their status. You can see any fines on your account or messages from the library. You can also renew all the library items you have checked out right from the overview page. The loans section of your library account provides details for each of the items you have checked out. You can see the title, author, and due date for each item. If a checked out loan is renewable, the renew function will be enabled and you can renew each item from this screen. If an item is not able to be renewed, the not renewable status will be visible. The requests section of your library account provides details for any requests or holds you have placed on University of Akron local books, OhioLink books, or interlibrary loan books and articles. You can see the title, author, and request status for each item. Clicking on the blue arrow will open a larger detail section with more information for each of your requested items. Article requests are delivered in digital format and will be linked to the appropriate item and accessible from this page. The fines section of your library account provides information for any fines that may be attached to your account. You can see details about each fine by selecting the blue drop-down box. Don't panic if you see fines on your account. The library does not charge overdue fines or punitive charges for most items. Give us a call or chat, and we will work to eliminate or significantly reduce your fines. The blocks and messages section will only have information if your library account has been blocked or if the library has attached an important message to your account. Sometimes a library account is blocked for very overdue books or equipment. In this case, you should contact the library right away and we will help you fix your account. The personal details section contains your address. You are not able to edit this section online. If you spot a mistake, please contact the library. There are a bunch of different ways you can contact your library. The University of Akron Library's homepage is uakron.edu/libraries. From our homepage, look for the Ask Us box, and you can pick the method of contact you like best: chat, email, or phone. If you click on the Contact Us link in the Ask Us section, you will see our full contact page with even more links to communicate with Bierce Library, the Law Library, and Wayne College Library. And that is a quick tutorial of your online library account. We hope you feel comfortable keeping track of all your checked out items and requests using your convenient library card. Thank you.